I have a dream when I was a child. You know, I'm from China, so we also dreaming of the dragon. I'm Mo Zhao from JSK Robotics Lab in the University of Tokyo, and I'm the assistant professor in this lab. You know, there are lots of kind of the bio-inspired robots. People make the robot dog or robot cat. The dragon is not a real animal, but it's a kind of holy symbol in Asia. Imagine this robot like a flying human arm to do the manipulation on the air. Or you can change the lamp instead of humans, or to open the door like a human arm. Or you can also think this robot can transform like a snake, so it can exploration in a very narrow space. So I think this is one of kind of application in the disaster rescue.
My name is Tomoki Anzai, master course student of University of Tokyo. So each link of the Dragon has a small circuit board named neuron, and each board communicates each other. So by this structure, Dragon can fly stably in the air.
Hello, I'm Shifan. I'm the second year master student in the University of Tokyo. Previously, my research is mainly related to this robot called Hydrus. I want to make faster dynamic motion of this robot, like play table tennis. And for future work, I will work with Dragon to make more complex dynamic motion.
So there are lots of design for the air robot, but our design, we developed a very interesting mechanism called the gimbal modules. Will actively tilt the two rotors. So this is very unique in the world. I think this is the first design. And we also have a very important part is the joint part. You can see this is also the two-dimensional joint, 1 and 2. So these two important components makes the aero transformation. So people imagine the dragon for several thousand years. So I think this is the first time to create the true dragon in the world.